Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Zanussi brand washing machine and it's giving you an E62 error and you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of it. So first of all, the E62 error is a heating error, is the element that heats the water. So it could be with the heater, it could be with the sensor, it could be with the wiring, it could be with the control board, something to do with the heater. Unfortunately, this does not have an easy fix. But I'm going to give you a workaround in a second. So you're probably going to need to call a technician to fundamentally figure out what's going on with the heating. But one workaround that you can do while you're waiting to get it fixed is you should be able to, when you're getting this error, you should be able to run cold cycles on your washing machine. So you should still be able to wash your clothes on cold cycles until you're able to get this fixed. And another thing that I would do before I called a technician would be to do a hard restart on the washing machine to clear that error out and see if it doesn't come back. And to do that, all we need to do is turn our washing machine off and then cut power to it completely, either by unplugging it from the wall or turning it off at the circuit, leaving power off to it for a full minute, and then restoring power, turning it on, running a cycle, and see if the error doesn't come back. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.